Hey y'all, it's Sharon B, Life by Sharon B. Normally I'm here bringing you job leads and side hustles, but today I want to talk about something new that could change the way you get hired in 2025. More and more people are landing jobs using video resumes, even TikTok clips, instead of the traditional paper resume. It sounds wild, but recruiters are actually paying attention, and some people are getting interviews within days. Why this matters? Think about it, recruiters sort through hundreds of plain text resumes. But when you show them your energy, communication skills, and personality on video, you stand out right away. Gen Z and millennials are already leading the charge here, but video resumes aren't just a trend, they're becoming a powerful tool to land real jobs in 2025. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, I'm going to share exactly what to put in your video resume, and the big mistakes you need to avoid. Tip 1. Keep it short and sharp. First tip, keep it short. A video resume should be 30 to 60 seconds max. Think of it like your elevator pitch. Introduce yourself, share your top skills, and explain why you'd be a good fit. That's it, recruiters don't want a long speech. Short, sharp, and memorable works best. Tip 2. Show personality, not just skills. Next, show some personality. Your paper resume lists skills, your video resume shows who you are. Smile, sit up straight, and talk like you're excited about the opportunity. This is your chance to show energy, confidence, and communication style. If you're a graphic designer, show samples of your work. Even something simple like showing certificates or awards can boost your credibility. Think of your video as a mini portfolio. Tip 4. Use TikTok and LinkedIn. Here's where it gets interesting. Platforms like TikTok and LinkedIn are making video resumes more common. And LinkedIn lets you upload intro videos that hiring managers will see when they click your profile. That's extra visibility for free. And here's the kicker. People are landing jobs paying $60,000, $80,000, even six figures, all from a 1-minute video. But you've got to avoid the rookie mistakes. Mistakes to avoid. Don't film with a messy background, keep it clean and simple. Don't read straight from your paper resume, video is about standing out. Don't ramble, practice first so you come across polished. Don't forget audio and lighting, if recruiters can't see or hear you, they'll move on. Here's a pro tip, make one strong master video resume, then clip it into shorter versions. Post the full one on LinkedIn, then cut a 30-second TikTok or Instagram reel. Show personality, highlight your skills visually. And avoid the common mistakes. Video resumes are one of the weirdest job search trends in 2025, but they're actually working. Which of these tips would you try first? Drop it in the comments, I love reading your feedback. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because I post new job leads, side hustles, and hiring trends every single day. Oh, and a quick update for my community. I'm planning to start going live on weekends while I'm out doing gigs like Walmart Spark and the catering apps. So keep an eye out for that. I've put together everything you'll need to make deliveries easier and more professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another drop.
Do y'all know people are using visual resumes to be competitive in this job market? Let's discuss. Apparently now, people are starting to use these visual resumes to stand out amongst the saturated job market and the competitiveness in the job market to alleviate ghosting. And they're using videos to attract the attention of recruiters via LinkedIn, via different job boards, to basically get themselves out there while also showing their personality and kind of bringing the interview to the recruiter instead of vice versa. So one of the things that these visual resumes does is basically highlight the key skills, what they bring to that particular job market, in a visual aspect, and they put that in the video in bullet points. This allows for the recruiter to not only see the person's personality, but get a quick snippet of what this person offers, because a recruiter only really looks at a resume between 6 to 8 seconds. So it's kind of like a TikTok for job hiring. We all know attention spans are not what they used to be. So some people are trying to crack the code to get themselves to the top of the hiring list. Now, me personally, traditional resume will always be it, especially I work for the government, but also even just outside of government work. I think most jobs are still going to lean towards a traditional resume, but I find it quite interesting that people are now like coming up with these ideas to use the visual resume to get themselves noticed. And I honestly think it's kind of cool, because we sit and talk to phones all day anyway. So why not let me put myself out there to get myself a job? So let me know what y'all think about this, and will y'all be using visual resumes to apply for jobs?
So if you want to use video to elevate the first impression with a recruiter or hiring manager, I encourage you to create the video yourself. I don't like these apps that companies are using where they send you a link and like you have to answer questions and then they're keeping your videos, they're keeping your data. I'm not a fan of that. I want you to control the video, the messaging on the video, and who you send it to. But I will tell you, I'm working with an app right now. It's only for the iPhone, but this app is amazing. It's free to download. I've got it linked in my bio. And when you do, you download the app and then you're invited to join a private community where I actually coach you on how to create your videos that you can then send to recruiters and hiring managers. And I'll tell you, mind blown, they absolutely love the first impression that it provides. It's really, really powerful. So again, if you want to use video to impress recruiters and hiring managers, check out the app. You need an iPhone, but the link's in my bio, and then we can work together on it. Good luck. Go get them.
A great video resume has a clear structure. Don't just wing it. In order to create a successful video resume, you need to break it into chunks and do each piece part by part. The first thing you'll want to do is start with your introduction. During your intro, you want to share your top skills and highlight your experiences and achievements that will help the company. After your intro, you'll explain why you are the perfect fit for the position, and then you'll finish with a strong CTA or call to action. A clear storyline helps recruiters stay engaged and makes your message easy to follow.